Here, fell out means stop talking. Actually, fell out means in general sense it is separated, but here in contextual meaning it will be stop talking. Then you see second one. Please note down in the third notebook simultaneously so that you will not have any problem. The afternoon turned black. Turned black means turned black. The textual and contextual meaning we have to give. It means converted into a sad one, a sad. So the total afternoon what happened, it became sad because of the quarrel. Please, page number 40. Yes, Justin is correct. Page number 40. You please write down. Please write down in your third notebook, children. Okay, this is number one with one and two answer. Then you see, we will go to answer two. So answer two, what is the question? The certain sentences are there from the poem. We have to paraphrase them. Paraphrase means what does these lines mean? We have to write 2 1. 2 1. The question is that one thing led to another means the quarrel was on one topic and the quarrel was on one topic and went on to other topics. So the basic quarrel was on one topic and it went on to other topics. This is the answer. The quarrel was on one topic and went on to other topics. This is the answer for number 2 1. Please note down in the notebook. The quarrel was on one topic and went on to other topics. This is the answer. Shall I rub this side? Can I rub? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, please write. I am waiting. In third notebook, you please write down question answer part.
Does it go?
Just I am waiting. You please do it. You will go to the other side. This side is visible no clearly. No problem.
So you can rub the whole book.
Okay, written. Very good.
Yes. Noted, sir.
Okay, very good. I am going to that side now. This side I will write number.
No, sir.
Okay,
जहाँ पे आपने
okay, please do it. I am giving one more minute. You please finish it. We will go to
इधर वाला
the next question.
द वाला
So this is one autobiographical poem. Why? Because the poetess is explaining, narrating her own incident of a quarrel with her brother, and it is also a delightful poem. Yes,
Noted, sir.
delightful short poem.
Done, sir.
Done, very good. Now, answer to bit 2. Okay. Answer to bit 2. The question is that. Okay. Answer to bit 2. The question is that this like yes. So answer to bit 2. The question is that the start of it was very light. The start of the quarrel was just one second over a light or silly matter. Silly matter. Okay. Two. Second answer. Please note down. The start of the quarrel was over a light or silly matter. Please write down. Second one.
आपने आंसर सेकंड दो बार लिख दिया.
Oh yes, yes. Because you may know you will be confused. That's why I have written second time.
ओके सर.
ये होना बेटा. ठीक है. ये number two का bit one. This is number two bit two. Bit two. Now bit three I will write here. Okay. The start of the quarrel was over a light or silly matter. Very good.
Done, sir.
Done. Very good. Now three. The end of it was wrong.
Done, sir.
Bit three. In the end, it took a back down. B-U-R-N. Yes. In the end, it took a back down. Okay.
Done, sir.
Bit three, you write down. In the end, it took a back down. Please write down. They don't.
Completed, sir. Done, sir.
Don't make some children are some children,
Done, sir.
सर ऑफ मत करना प्लीज.
no need to say done. I will wait and then I will go to the next one. No need to tell again and again done sir. No need. Don't say. So no answer to bit four I will write in this one. Okay, those who are disturbing, please mute your camera. Mute your sound. I am telling camera. Okay, now bit four.
आंसर का जो थर्ड पार्ट को थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दीजिए. Get the camera to the down.
Shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go to bit four. Now in bit four,
सर प्लीज वाला एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए.
bit four you see, thought will be the afternoon turned black. Means the whole
Noted,
afternoon
sir.
was,
नोटेड सर.
yes, the whole afternoon was sad and bad. Sad and bad. Why? Because it spoiled the mood of the poetess. So the whole afternoon was
Done with you, sir.
very good.
Done, sir.
Okay, those who could not do, I will please do it.
No, sir.
Okay, now number five. Bit five.
सर बैक साइड लिख दो.
Okay. So the thumb me on the back. He patted me on the
नोटेड सर.
patted me on the back. Thumped means patted, as I have told. Thumped me on the back.
Done with you, sir.
Done with you, sir.
Okay.
सर आपने ही की बराबर
You also doing it. Then one letter will write over this poem and also one diary entry. Okay.
Yes, sir. Done with you, sir.
So
वाली फिफ्थ वाले पे ही के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Which one? On the in pattern be on the back. Sad and bad. Sad and bad. Please note down.
Sad and bad.
Yes, sad and bad. So, on this topic, there may be one informal letter. Sometimes letter is coming as formal and informal. So, for 6th and 7th, mostly informal letters are there. Suppose on this topic, we will write one letter. I will tell you how to write.
Side please.
Okay, are you writing? Okay, I am waiting. Just to note down.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Done with you, sir.
Sir.
Very good.
Sir, please side, please, sir.
Okay, okay.
Side, please.
And who is sharing all this in screen? Please do not send anything else on the screen. This is meant for studies only.
Sir, rub the second and third point.
Third and fourth second, in the end, it is to get back on the whole three. I am reading it out. Second, the start of the quarrel was over a light or cylinder. Third, in the end, it took a bad turn. In the end, it took a bad turn. T-U-R-N, turn. Okay. Fourth, the whole afternoon was sad and bad. Fifth, he patted me on the back. Clear? Now suppose in the exam there is a question, you had a fight with your, I will write the question, I will tell you also how to answer the question. Okay. Written now, all have written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You can rub all points.
Okay, okay. Whole board I have rubbed.
Yes.
Now you see, suppose there is a, in your 6th and 7th, mostly informal letters are coming. Suppose you had a fight with your brother.
सर ये कौन से वाले का आंसर है?
You had a fight with your brother over a silly matter. Full stop.
सर ये कौन से वाले का आंसर है?
Because in letter now sometimes informal letters are coming. You knew that you were at fault. You knew that you were at fault. Okay.
ये कौन से वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर है?
It is not a question. I am giving a letter. Please write down. So,
Sir, we can write this.
yes. Write a letter to your brother. And say sorry to him. Okay. So how to write the letter I will tell you. Then you will write later on in the notebook. Okay. So you had a fight with your silly matter. You knew that you were at fault.
adjust the camera downward.
Write a letter
Done,
to your
sir.
brother. Done. Now you see, children, this is informal letter. So how to begin the letter, I will tell you. Then in informal letter, suppose informal letter means we are writing to
सर थोड़ा नीचे कर दीजिए.
which one?
आप कैमरे को नीचे कर दीजिए थोड़ा.
Okay. Just 1 second, 1 second.
Yes, sir, all is clear.
Clear? No, no problem. Just I will move inside, you can see. Up to this you can see, na? No problem. Total letter is covered in that.
सर आप इधर की साइड.
Sir, don't rub the board.
Yes. Written. Now we will go to the letter itself. Because in your syllabus, informal letter is there. Informal letter. So, suppose a letter like this comes in the exam, how will you attempt? You had a fight with your brother over a silly matter. You knew that you were at heart. Write a letter to your brother and say sorry to him.
Sir, don't rub.
Write a letter to your brother and say sorry to him. Now you see, this is one informal letter. So in the left hand top,
सर सबसे नीचे वाली लाइन में क्या लिखा है?
what happened?
सर सबसे नीचे वाली जो लाइन है उसका आपने रब कर दिया.
Okay. Write a letter to him. To your
सर उसके
brother.
नीचे क्या था?
I am again writing you, please note down and say sorry to him. Write a letter to your brother and say sorry to him. I have written again, you please note down. Those who could not write.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay, because it is an informal letter. And a Gunjan said, what are you presenting? Don't present anything. See, if you get bored with your class, shall I rub now?
रब रब कर दो.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub now? Surya Kumar?
आगे ना अभी
Sir, rub the board.
Okay. So this is because it is informal.
प्लीज स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट मत कर. स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट मत कर.
अरे don't disturb Surya Kumar.
पलक म्यूट
Surya
योरसेल्फ.
Kumar and Tanuj also. I will mute you or I will delete you from the class. Surya Kumar, if you disturb, don't disturb. Please cooperate. It is online class. It is for everybody, not for you only. Okay. So, because it is informal letter, in the left hand top, suppose from exam you are writing, examination hall, okay,
सर ये इसी के साथ है क्या?
in the left, I am writing the letter where it will be first our address. Our address will be sender who is sending the letter. Suppose it is 4th August 2021.
Sir, we have
Okay. First I wrote on the left hand top, I wrote my address. My address means the child is writing. I wrote the address. So then I wrote the place and I wrote the date. So in left hand side, sender's payment address.
वैष्णवी क्लास को डिस्टर्ब कर रही है.
Who?
वैष्णवी. सर वैष्णवी.
Vishnavi, don't disturb. Who will disturb? I will put them. Don't do disturb.
Sir, we have to write this.
Yes, write down. In the left hand.
सर हमें उसके नीचे ही लिखना है.
In the left hand top, yes. In notebook only. In left hand top, the sender's name and address. You have to write. Then you see, because it is personal letter, no subject is required. Directly you can write the letter. So you will begin like this, dear brother. Here you will begin. Here full stop is there. So with one paragraph you can start your salutation. Salutation means the manner you address to your brother, the manner we address the sender addresses the receiver is called salutation. So in the left hand top, in the former, first you have the sender's name and address, and then I put, then I
Done with you, sir.
salutation. Salutation means
Then we
we
do
address the receiver. So it depends upon our relationship. Suppose it is father, you cannot write dear brother. You have to write dear father, or respected father, or mother. You cannot write dear brother. So it depends upon our relationship. Then next, it will start with one paragraph. So today was a flag day.
लेटर मैक्सिमम कितने
Today
वर्ड
was a flag day for you.
तो हमें
and
लेटर में कितने वर्ड्स तक की
you
मैक्सिमम
write
कितने
in your
वर्ड
own language. I am writing my language. Today was a flag day for you and me because I am writing as per the theme of the poem. Okay. We fought over a silly matter. We fought over a silly matter. Okay. Because in the poem it is given, we fought over a silly matter. Just I will try to lower the.
Sir, we completely cannot see the blackboard.
Yeah, just one second.
सर यू कैन रीड
Sir, now clear.
Now clear, no? I am adjusting the blackboard. Okay. We fought over a silly matter. Up to this, then this, see, always when you write letters, you don't write
Blackboard properly. Sir, we cannot see the blackboard properly.
You see, what is
Sir,
that?
we can see. Sir, all is clear.
Wait, listen me. Those who are complaining, for them I am telling, in the left hand side, the sender's name, address, and date will be there. Over. Now, what will be begin? This is
Done, sir.
salutation means our address. The sender in which way he is addressing the receiver. That's the beginning paragraph I have written. Always don't write abruptly. Try to make 2-3 paragraphs so that you will get the full marks. Okay. Then first paragraph is over. Now second one, body of the letter. Mother tried to console me.
Please adjust the camera to
सर
left
प्लीज
side.
एडजस्ट द कैमरा
Sir, please adjust the camera to right side. Sir, please adjust the camera to the left side.
See, we cannot.
Sir, do not adjust any side. Sir, do not adjust any side.
Arey, don't shout. Now, okay, no?
नो
No, sir. Sir, adjust the camera in down side. नीचे का नहीं लिख रहा.
First one you complete this one, then we will go to the other part.
Yes, sir. Sir, now clear. Sir, थोड़ा up side. Sir, थोड़ा सा नीचे.
राइट साइड
Sir, down side. थोड़ा सा down side.
Stop talking.
साइड
Sir, down side. Sir, clear. Sir, adjust the camera to the down side.
लेफ्ट
Wait.
साइड
Sir, on right side. Sir, do not adjust any side.
Clear?
Sir, do not adjust any side.
यू कैन रीड
Sir, up side ले लो बस थोड़ा सा. हाँ, yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, clear है. Yes sir.
Yes. So I will.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir, now clear.
Clear? Okay.
Yes sir, right side is clear.
All right. Specify. Specify. Us.
Sir,
Mother also tried to specify us, but we did not listen. Did not listen. So mother also tried to specify us, we did not listen.
Sir, please adjust the
We
camera.
called
Sir,
names.
please adjust the camera which you are writing.
See, if I adjust again, you will
Please
not
adjust to the camera, please right side.
Sir, please adjust the camera to the left
Please
side.
adjust.
is clear.
No,
Here,
sir,
here,
everything. Just the camera.
you called names
Sir, everything is clear and done.
क्या लिखा है?
Sir, everything is clear.
and headed
कंटिन्यू करना है क्या?
each other.
सारे कंटिन्यू करना है क्या उसके आगे से?
Okay, continue in the second paragraph. First paragraph is this, second paragraph is this. Please write down. See,
Done with you, sir.
first part shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
One
Yes,
more
sir.
paragraph you have to write. So this one I am rubbing.
Done, sir.
This one shall I rub? Okay.
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes, sir. Can you rub?
So in the third paragraph, I
The
realized
second
that,
paragraph also rub.
okay, I am writing, that
Sir,
it was my fault. I realized that it was my fault.
सर सबसे फर्स्ट में क्या लिखा है?
Am your
सर कंटिन्यू करना है क्या हम उसके आगे से?
third paragraph. Loving sister, please forgive me. Forgive me. Okay. So I am writing this letter to say sorry and to forget the matter. How I have written, if you write like this, 5 out of 5 you will get. So your loving sister. I am writing A, B, C. You can write your name. I am writing A, B, C. You can write your name.
Side, please.
Okay, one second. Okay, now you can see the board. So your loving sister, your name you write. I have not written any name. According to your name, you will write.
sir, please write.
Okay.
Sir, side, please.
Okay, I have become completely silent. So one letter we have written on the same topic. Suppose one informal letter is coming. How to write? I told also the clues. I gave you one example. So ABC I have written any name, your name, you can write.
आपने जिसके बाद क्या लिखा है लास्ट पैराग्राफ में?
Tried to pacify us, but we did not listen. We called names to each other and hated each other. Then next paragraph I realized that it was my fault. I am your
Done,
loving sister. Yes, very good. So now this one for today. Okay, children.
Noted, sir.
Noted, very nice. So in under the informal letter you can write
Noted, sir.
a letter like this comes in the exam.
Done, sir.
Very good. Now one diary entry.
Done, sir.
Okay, in diary entry I will give you an assignment of the same
Sir,
topic.
don't rub.
I am not rubbing. Let it be like this. So one diary entry also I will give. You please write. I will give 5 marks. In Google class I will send you diary entry. Diary entry we have done, no problem. So you can do on that same topic. This poem. On particular poem I will give you the diary entry.
लास्ट में अपना नाम लिखना है क्या?
Okay. Written no informal letter. Written by the sister to the brother.
सर लास्ट में नाम लिखना है क्या?
Yes. You please write down. I will send you by Google another thing which you will see afterwards. Okay, children. So till then, bye. We will continue in the next class. Okay.
सर लास्ट में अपना नाम लिखना है या फिर पोएट का नाम लिखना है?
Your name. ABC, you can write your name.
Single party present, sir.
Okay, I will send attendance. Don't worry.
Single party present, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
स्नेहा सुखा
Present, sir.